Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. There's a winter fruit that you either like or don't, and it is kiwi. While David is not crazy about it, I enjoy this fruit a lot. Now, prepping a kiwi is pretty straightforward. Peel and slice. Or there's also another way to do it. So my friends, let's get cooking. Here's how to peel a kiwi in seconds. We'll remove both ends of the fruits. So far it's easy, right? Then we'll use a tablespoon and we'll slide it between the skin and the flesh. See? Just like this. Next, we'll rotate the kiwi, holding it firmly, and slide it around until the fruit is released from the skin. As you saw in this video, this is another easy way to prep your kiwi fruits. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!